Hello everyone, I'm back in the microwave again, and guess what I did? Baked a pasta dish. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, we are now back at the cooking station. This is a penne pasta, gluten-free, all done in the microwave. And now we're gonna cut this up. And it has a little bit of pepper jack cheese in it. Bring the plate in view. Now this is actually my first time doing this. So let's see how they come out. Oh, it's breaking up. That's okay. You can see it looks good in there. Now obviously if I had a spatula it'd be a lot easier to pick up, so I'll turn it this way and try to catch the light. Sometimes you just gotta work it out. Like I've said before, sometimes it ain't gonna be pretty. And I got some spinach in there. Some onions. Oh yeah. Let me look at this way, you can see a little more of the detail. Now let's try it. Now of course with gluten-free noodles, because they're made with rice, and I think these are a little bit, these are the ones from Aldi's I've shown you before. If you haven't seen them on here, then go to either my YouTube, C.LynnsArt of cooking, or the Instagram page. Should have these kind of noodles from Aldi's. Alright, let's taste. Nicely cooked. And they are seasoned well. Only thing I'm missing, a little oregano. I'll put it all over there. And for my taste bud, they could do a little bit more salt. But otherwise, this is good. First time doing it this way. But if you haven't noticed, I'm definitely perfecting microwave meals. Because not everybody wants to eat a box meal, but you still want some home cooking. Not everybody wants to be in front of the oven, on the stove, trying to piece stuff together. So for a quick homemade dish, this is very delicious. I will definitely be doing a detailed video soon, so look out for that. And also, let me know if you would want a cookbook dedicated to microwave homemade meals, because as you see, I am racking up the different dishes that are filling for those who want something hearty, tasty, simple, and filling, but it's pretty quick to do. I did this in under, I believe, 10 minutes cooking time in the microwave. So definitely something to try. I will put out the details in another video, and if I don't, then look for it on my website, C.LynnsArtofCooking.com. And happy eating!